This was supposed to be such an easy thing, just moving all the parts from that case to this case, and now my goddamn computer won't even start. I had everything put together, hit first fire, nothing happened. Took everything out, took the hard drives out, hit fire again, nothing happened. So now we are at the point where we're trying to diagnose what's going on. This is an Asus x570p motherboard. So you can see here, I've got the power switch all connected. If I press it, nothing happens. No fans spin up. So that's annoying. The power light is on. As you can see here, I've got the PSU only hooked up with the CPU and the 24 pin. If I do the 24 pin test, where the fuck's my 24 pin? Here it is. If I do the 4 or 5 pin test, it actually works. So it does power on. So we know that's good. This is the same cable I took out of there. So I know that's good. The fact that power is coming through the light tells me that it does, something's working. Now, I know we can try and clear the CMOS. I've already taken out the battery for a full like 9 hours. And that did nothing. I tried powering it on without the battery. That also did nothing. So the next step is to actually just try and clear the CMOS through the jumper pins. I believe that's these here. So if I clear those, and now we can try starting it. Nothing. Let me try that again. I think I was supposed to do it for like 7 seconds. So let me just put that there. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, let me take out the power. And let me just try jumping it hard. We still get no response. The next thing I can try and do is jump it through here if I get like a paper clip. Okay, we're back. We got it all turned around. When I got some tweezers to make this easier. So pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and pin 5. Can these reach down? Oh, okay. Okay, so one fan just spun. I just saw that. There we go. Like you can hear it. So this is working. Let's see if it works now with the power button. So nothing is happening with the power. What if I do the CMOS again? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this one. If you guys got any suggestions. Okay. Fun update. I was about to wrap up this video when I just took out the CPU just to make sure it was like no bent pins or anything, and I reseated it. And the second I put the cooler on top and, you know, did everything, it just fired on. So I guess check the CPU. I don't care. It works. I'm done. I'm out, bitches. Make sure you hit the sub button.